Calculus 1 course. In this course, we have 5 essential units: functions, limits, and continuity. And we have in Unit 3 derivatives. In Unit 4, we have applications of derivatives. And then we ended with integration. In chapter 1, we're going to go over the functions. I know that you have background about the functions. Let's review type of functions, domain and range, functions compositions or combination, types of functions, exponential and logarithmic functions. Then we have this definition for the function. A function f from a set D to a set Y is a rule that assigns a unique value f of x and y to each x and d in the domain. How that if we have a relationship between x and y, and then 1 takes a, 2 takes d, 3 takes b, and then 4 takes C. 1 and A, 2 and D, 3 and B, 4 and C. If you look at X, which is our independent term in this relationship, you're going to see that 1 participated once, 2 participated once, 3 participated once, 4 participated once. We call this a unique value. It has a unique value, just one value. We call this relation is perfect relationship for a function. In another way, we could have a relationship as 1 to B, then 3 to A, then 3 again to D, then 4 to C, and then 2 to C. Can we call this relationship a function? Is it a function? If you look at every member of X, 1 participated once, 2 participated once, 3 participated more than one time. So 3 in here participated more than one. It's not unique, so it's out of our definition for the function. So this is disqualified to be a function. This is not a function. Also, if we have all participated except one of them, like 2 didn't participate, but 3 and 4 participate, we call this relationship is not a function, because we should have every member of X participated once. Every member has a unique value. Every member has a unique value, not just 1, 3, and 4, but we should include 2 in the relationship. So this is not a function. Sometimes they give you a figure like that. They tell you, okay, we have 1 with B, 2 with B, 3 with B, 4 with B. Is it a function? Some of you confused, oh, B received many errors and relationship. We're not looking for the output, we're looking for the input. So should every member of X participate once, and I see this is like qualify one, it doesn't matter that all goes to same output, but the matter of fact that everyone participated once. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 participated once. So this is a function. But if they have the opposite case, of course, like this, like 2 goes to A, 2 goes to B, 2 goes to C, 2 goes to D. Don't tell this is function. This is the opposite. 1 3 and 4 didn't participate in the relationship, so it's not function. Also, 2 participated more than once. It's not any. It has no unique value, so this is not function. Another one to show it to you, which is if we have 1 goes to A, 2 goes to B, 3 goes to C, 4 goes to D, we call this is one-to-one function, not just function, but it's function one-to-one, because X has a unique value and also Y members. So X has a unique value for every member. So this 1 has unique value, 2 unique value, 3 has unique value, 4 has unique value. And the same here with the outputs. Every member of Y has a unique value. So unique input. So this is one-to-one function. One-to-one function. Okay. Not just these figures, but also if we have graph for the function, how to judge the function if it's how to judge a graph of a relationship that this is a function or not. So if we graph vertical line anywhere, you must see just one intersection, as you see, one intersection here, one intersection, so this is function. And here is the same, only one intersection every time. We call this is vertical line test. But actually, if we rotate this curve and the relationship graph like that, a half circle, can we call this function? The answer no, because we have more than one intersection, so it has no unique value. In here, more than one, more than one, more than one. This is not a function. Also, if we are given tables such as x is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and they tell you f of x equals 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it a function? Look at x. You don't see repeated value here. 2, 3, 4. No 3 and 3. 3 didn't, they didn't repeat 3. They didn't repeat 4, 5, 6, 7. So it has a unique value. So this is function. And something else we have to understand, which is the rule of the function. The rule of the function. Rule, which is the relationship that they control the input and output. So if you look at 2 and 5, 3 and 6, 4 and 7, if you write order pairs like this, 2 and 5, 3 and 6, 4 and 7, 5 and 8, 6 and 9, 7 and 10, you figure out that if we keep adding 3 every time, we're going to get the output. So the relationship is f of x equals x plus 3. That's the function's rule, x plus 3. Sometimes you change it from linear to like quadratic, x squared plus 3, x squared minus 5, or fraction, or it depends the function that you deal with. This is what I have for definition of function.